So all you need for this painting today are your primary colors, and that's red, yellow, and blue. And you can add burnt umber and ultramarine, never mind. So all you need today for this painting is your primary colors of red, yellow, and blue, and you can add sap green and burnt umber and also black and white. So that's all you need for this painting today. God. So all you need for this painting is your primary colors of red, yellow, and blue, and sap green and burnt umber and black and white. And if you want to use cad yellow, cad red, and ultramarine blue, you could do that, or you can use whatever you have on hand. So all you need for this painting is your primary colors, and all you need for this painting are your primary colors. Is or are, I don't know. So all you need for this painting today are your primary colors of red, yellow, and blue, and green, and brown, and black and white. So that's 7 colors, all you need. And you can use cad red, cad yellow, and you know. Hi guys, I'm Allison Prior, and I want to welcome you to my channel. Hi guys, I'm Allison Prior, and I'd like to welcome you to my channel. Hi guys, I'm Allison Prior, and I want to welcome you to my channel. As you know, I do art, do lots of stuff. Hi guys, I'm Allison Prior, and I want to welcome you to my channel. I teach acrylic painting lessons for beginners, step by step, in real time, so you can follow along with me, even though I do have some lapsed paintings, in case you want to check them out first, and then you can do the full painting with me. So you can always email me at allisonprior@yahoo.com anytime if you have any questions about anything. allisonprior@yahoo.com, and I will leave that in a link below for you, so you can contact me anytime, as long as it has to do with just about art, and because I don't know anything else about anything. So as long as it's all about art, I'm okay. I can answer most questions, and if I can't answer them, I'll Google it for you.